Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to design this sleek 3D component from scratch using SolidWorks. First, let's start by selecting the front plane and entering the sketch mode. Now, grab the center rectangle tool. Draw it from the origin and use Smart Dimension to set both sides to 500 millimeters. This gives us a perfectly constrained square base. Next, go to the Features tab, select Reference Geometry, and create a new plane offset from the top. Let's set the distance. On this new plane, we will sketch a circle. Align it with the origin and give it a diameter of 500 millimeters. This will be the top profile of our transition. Now, use the Lofted Boss /base command. Select the square sketch first and then the circle. SolidWorks will automatically generate the smooth transition between these two profiles. To give it a more finished look, let's add some fillets. Select the vertical edges and apply a radius of 10 millimeters. This removes the sharp corners and improves the aesthetics. To make the part hollow, we'll use the shell tool. Select the top face, set the wall thickness, and click OK. Now our part has a uniform internal cavity. Now for the fun part, the appearance. Navigate to the Appearances library. We are going to apply a red glossy finish. Look at how that color highlights the geometry. Before we finish, let's adjust the scene and real view graphics. This adds realistic reflections and shadows, making our model look production ready. And that's it. Our 3D model is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more SolidWorks content. Thanks for watching.